Hi, this is your girl Light Brown, and I've cooked up another look in the kitchen. If you want to know how I achieved this look, just keep on watching. Hi, today I want to do a nude color, like a nude look on my face today. I'm not going to use a lot of color because my clothes have a lot of color in it already. So I'm going to do like a sun-kissed summer look. A real nude sun-kissed summer look. So today's palettes that I'm going to be working out of, the eyeshadow palettes, is the 34503 Fierce by Nature Morphe palette. As you can see, it has the nude colors in there. And also the Saharan 2 Juvia's Place. I'm going to use a little shimmer just to give it just a little shimmer right here. I'm going to use that color. That shimmer right there. So yeah, so that's what we're gonna do today. So we're gonna get into this look. This first color that I'm going into is this color right here, and it's called Savage. I'm not gonna sing Megan Thee Stallion song, but it's tempting. But that's the color we're going into right there. You know, the Savage song. So since we're doing like an all nude color, I'm just gonna go all over the lid with this shade right here, the Savage shade, and just I'm gonna blend it out. But I'm just gonna go all over the lid with that, because this is gonna be like a real neutral sun-kissed look for the summer. Saharan 2 palette, and put on this shimmer color right here. Yeah, I don't have to cut the crease for this, so that's good, because this is pigmented, very nicely pigmented. So I can just go in and just put that shimmer right over the top. And see how light that is, and it comes out like really kind of golden. That's really nice. I don't know what this color is called. It looks like it says Ziza. Does Juvia's Place have names for their eyeshadows too? I'm gonna go back into that Savage color and kind of blend that in with this here, with this color, Aziza. Okay, so I'm gonna go on my waterline. I'm gonna use the Savage color to go right there on the waterline, and I might darken it up just a little bit because I want it to be hidden. I want it to hit. But anyway, I'm gonna see how it looks. It looks a little orange, of course. I don't know if I should darken it up a little bit. Just leave it like that. That's fire. When they said this was a Fierce by Nature palette, they really meant it. It is fierce. Yeah, I'll leave it like that. I could darken it up a little bit though. Let me see what, I could probably go into this shade right here and kind of darken it up a little bit. I don't know what that shade is called. Let me see. That shade is called Out of Control. I'm gonna go into Out of Control and just darken it up just a little bit. See, that looks a little better. Okay, and then for the inner tear duct, I'm gonna go into that shimmer color again in the Juvia's Place palette. Okay, that should do it for those two. For the eyes, now we gotta put on the mascara and the lashes. The lashes I'm using, I normally don't put mascara on before I do my lashes, because my lashes get in the way of me putting on the false lashes. So the lashes I'm using is IMV, the Kiss IMV lashes, 3D number 20. So I'm gonna put those on. The glue that I'm using for the lashes is the IMV Super Strong Hold, and it's formaldehyde and latex free glue, because the formaldehyde and latex, the glue that had that in it, the duo glue that I used on one of the videos, made my eyes blow up, and they were itchy and burning and everything. So I had to find a glue that I could use, and I'm so glad they had one, because I was like, oh no, what am I gonna do? I'm not gonna be able to put on my lashes. Are you telling me that? No. So anyway, I found this. I did some research and found this one, and this seems to be the better one out of all the other ones that I was going to try. I did some research on it, so they said this one was the better one. I'll let that get tacky. Normally I just put them on and let them dry on the eye. So I'm gonna put this one on camera, and the other one I'm gonna do off camera. So here goes. Okay, so now I have both eyelashes on, and I'm just gonna get into priming. My eyes, I already put the mascara on. So the same thing, using the M.A.C Refine Zone treatment and the Pore Fessional, got it backwards, Pore Fessional, for my enlarged pores. So this goes in my T-zone area, the M.A.C Refine Zone, my T-zone area up here. Let me make sure I get it good. Okay, I'm just trying to get the concealer that I put on my eyes. I'm just trying to wipe that away too as I put this professional on. Okay, got that on. And I will be using the M.A.C Studio, I'm putting everything backwards. The M.A.C Studio Fix foundation. Using a foundation brush. This is an e.l.f. foundation brush. Okay, so I got that. I'm going to use this foundation brush. This is a BH Cosmetic foundation brush. Okay, now we're going to conceal. I'm using the L.A.GIRL Pro Concealer in the color Pure Beige. And that is very close to my skin tone, because I like for my concealer, I mean, I could use a lighter color, but I like for my concealer to be close to my skin tone, because I don't like it to be too bright on my eyes, because I am already bright. So for me to bring more brightness, and I'll look cakey, it'll look cakey on me. And I don't like that look. So I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, contour palette for medium tan skin. Okay. And the shade that I'm going into is this one right here. Let me wet the sponge just a little bit more. A little bit of my rose water because it is not, it's drying up so quickly. I'm using the rose water that I love to spray. I might spray some of that on my face now because I forgot to spray it on earlier before I got started. I'm done with that, and so I'm going to bake, and I'm using the Mented Skin Silk translucent powder. And what I do, I just tap some into the lid. That works better for me. It's easier for me to dip it out that way. And then I just take this brush right here. This is a BH Cosmetic brush, number 124. Man, I wish I would remember to spray my rose water. I should have done that before I put that translucent powder on. You gotta get you some rose water. I'm telling you, just try it. It just makes you feel so good. Okay, so now I'm going into the blush, and this is I finally bought a new blush palette, and this is the e.l.f. blush, and I'm going into, I think I might just go into this peach. I was gonna go into this one to give me that bronze look, but I don't think it's gonna show up on me very well. But let me try it first. If that don't work, I'll just put that peachy one on there. There I go with the peachy one. The peach shade. I'll go with the peach shade, but let me try this one. Oh, that came out pretty good. Yeah, that's good. I'll use this one. Now it does blend into my skin very well, so let me put a little peach on there. Now I'm gonna have to be creative with the bronzer today because I bought this bronze shade. I bought this one, but what happens is when I use it, it doesn't show up on my skin, so it looks like I'm doing nothing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be a little creative. Hopefully I won't make too bad of a mess. But I have this Mented eyeshadow palette, and I can't show you the inside because I busted this one too. I dropped it on the floor. So, but anyway, oh, whatever. Okay, it has these shades in it. The brown, this is brown out. See how I cracked it all up? Even one is missing. So I'm gonna try to bronze my face with one of these colors, and I'm gonna use this e.l.f. brush right here, this blending brush. And I'm gonna try to bronze my face with that, with one of those colors. I'm going into this one right here. And let's see how that looks. Yeah, I have to be careful because I don't want it to be too dark. So, yeah, it's working. I see it. I'm trying to be careful. Let's do the jawline. Now I'm going to get the highlighter. And I'm going into, this is Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, the Glow Sugar Kit. That's what it says. And I am going into Butterscotch. It has 4 colors in it: Marshmallow, Gumdrop, Butterscotch, and Starburst. I normally go into Starburst, but I'm going to go into this Butterscotch because it has more of a golden tone to it. And that's going to help that bronze kind of look that I want today. Give me that bronze look I want. And now I'm going to choose my lip color. I always go with, like when I do a nude look, I always go with this Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I'm going to go with that because I want my lips to have a little gloss to it. I'm trying to find a brown pencil. Yeah. This brown pencil, liner pencil by Wet n Wild. I don't know if I told you the name of this shade. This is Venus by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Okay, so this completes my look, but what I'm gonna do, I see like a shadow, like right here where that concealer was. So I'm gonna try to cover that up on the side, and I'm using True Match by L'Oreal. I'm gonna see if I can cover that up a little bit, get that cast of, I'm just gonna put it right over here. And then I said I was gonna go back into the palette and kind of go back into my tear duct area. Find my pointed brush. Yeah, my pointed brush. This is by BH Cosmetics too. This is the number 132. So I'm going to go back into the that inner tear duct color right here. Okay. And then I'm going to kind of put a little shimmer like right up there. I want too much of that, just a little bit, just to give it my brow bone just a little pop. Yeah. Okay, so this completes my look. Thank you for watching my channel. And again, my name is Light Brown, and you can follow me on Instagram as Cooking Up a Look and Facebook as Cooking Up a Look. And there I'll be posting pictures. And so you have a great day.